stop recording and then record.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
It's recording on the cloud.
Bye.
Akshara, have a good session. I'll be with Deepak sir for the webinar.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, guys. Good evening, sir.
Hi.
I'll take your leave, sir, then.
Yes, yes. All the best for the other one.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yep. Hello, Apeksha.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Oh, yes. We met the other day, right? Or
Yeah.
I saw
Yes.
you in one of the recorded webinars actually.
Okay.
Sailesh has entered. Okay, Sailesh is going to be here in this meeting. Were you there on the 14th meeting? I don't think so.
So I was not there with you. This is
Yeah,
my
yeah.
first session with you, actually.
Okay.
I went out that day, so I couldn't attend.
Okay. I saw one of the recorded sessions of, I think, the meeting with Sailesh. That's where you were present and all that. Hi, Sailesh.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Good, sir. Good. Absolutely. Doing fine.
Sir, just give an option that I'm presently driving right now.
Huh. Sure.
That's not a reason. Seriously, I'm just driving, so just give me an option.
Done. So you're going to be driving for some time?
I just came for a meeting here in
Okay.
Begumpet,
Yeah.
so I'm just back to home.
Okay. So we'll have to just convince the other person that other people that except Mr. Sailesh, everyone else will have to have their videos on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi, Apeksha. Hi,
So you've
Akshara.
told.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, sir.
Both the
Hi,
accountability
Akshara.
partners have
Hi.
just jumped into this.
Yes. And
Sir,
those
Apeksha
who
and
take
Akshara, the
accountability will
accountability
be the
partners,
most.
sir.
Okay. So what does it mean in terms of, I understand the word accountability, but how does it find meaning in this context? How are they different by being accountability partners?
I mean,
They-
like,
Okay. Go ahead, Apeksha. Go ahead.
Yeah,
okay,
please
sir.
go ahead.
So it's like, like sometimes if I am lagging behind, like I go to Akshara for advice, like, what I should do, like this is not happening and all. And then
Yes.
sometimes she comes. So it's like vice versa. And then we keep on discussing like
Oh.
what are you doing and then what is up and what all are you planning to do for the next webinar. So yeah, it's like very
Oh.
accountable
So
for
both
that.
of you are accountability partners for each other.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. That's so wonderful. So how long have you people been with this group, with this Speakology movement?
This is my second week going on.
Okay.
Yeah, my second week going on, and I think Akshara's also.
Yes, sir. Even my second week.
Akshara's second week.
Second week. Wonderful. So how has been the last 1 week? Eventful?
Yeah, productive.
Productive. Wonderful. That's nice. And these might be some of the first few training programs you're attending in the professional space, right? Like whatever Mr. Sailesh did and whatever I conducted and whatever I'm going to be
Sir.
conducting now.
Yes, sir.
Some of the first few. Before that, it was all college life.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Excellent. My daughters, I have two daughters. The elder one is in BCom second year in Avinash College, Bashir Bagh. And
Oh,
the
nice.
younger one is also in the same college. She's in intermediate second year. She's also, both of them are commerce, economics, civics students.
So we are in 11th grade.
And-
We are very young.
Yes, sir.
Me and Akshara are in 11th
Acha,
grade.
unse. Okay. So that is my younger daughter's age. Yes. Younger daughter is in 11th, is in 12th, you can say, 12th equivalent now. Wonderful. So these all the gentlemen and ladies whoever is coming will be coming in by about 6 o'clock, no?
Yeah, sir, 6 o'clock.
Done. So you have 2-3 minutes in case you want to disappear and appear again. Also, no problem. Are you? Is there an option of you people will have to admit those people who are joining, or they can automatically join?
No, so I
So I
think
think
we
you can make some of them. You can make some of them as a co-host, sir. Means you will be on the training so that they can admit, sir. Either of Akshara or
Yeah, they
Apeksha.
are. I think the Apeksha is anyway the host, and then I'm the co-host
Yeah,
or
So
whatever.
Deepak
So she can
Akshara, you
also
can
admit.
be the co-host.
Yes, sir. Okay.
You can also be the co-host. Anybody who's joining, you can make them admit because sir will be busy and see he can't do it.
Yes, sir. Okay. I'll
Done.
be the
Done.
co-host.
And you all need to have an habit of coming before time, guys, because coming before time is a very good habit. Coming at time means it's 6 o'clock sharp is not the time. You need to be before time. Either of Akshara or Apeksha, anybody can just put a message, last minute
I just
message, so that everyone will jump into the call.
dropped the message. So.
If in case you people have some pens and paper, pen and paper, you can note down a few points, not many, maybe about 4 or 5 points. And it'll also be useful for an activity that we might be doing based on the time available.
Yeah, okay.
अगर
So
आपके
when
पास
I
pen,
take down the minutes of the meeting, I'll add
हाँ
into
जी,
that.
बिल्कुल.
Okay.
And we'll wait. What time will we start? We'll wait about 2-3 minutes
Yeah.
past 6 o'clock and then start. वो लोग तब join हो जाएंगे एक के बाद एक.
Yes, sir.
Which part of Hyderabad are you from?
I'm from, I actually don't know what to call it. This is, I think, Miapur, Madinakot, I don't know.
Okay.
My home jewel.
Oh, that's yes. Chandanagar, that side. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful.
I've been in Hyderabad for 7 years. I still don't know
That's
what
okay.
area I should call. This is very
As long as you know how to come in and go out of your house, then no problem.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Oh, so you are in My Home Jewel. I have a lot of friends there in My Home Jewel. It's very famous.
Yeah.
6 o'clock.
I've just dropped the message.
Hanji, yes. So you have, okay. So what you can do is, once people.
My home jewel is Hafiz Pet, sir, Madina Guda.
Correct. Yes. So Jyoti can slowly, as we still have time, as people join and we start the session, then you can unmute your videos, and then we can start having fun. Tuhin Sen entered the waiting room. Hello, Tuhin. Good evening and welcome.
Sir, also whenever there is a like an important point which I am supposed to take down, just tell me. So I'll just write it or like type it or something like that.
Perfect. 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 I will. No, there cannot be any excuse of not switching on camera. Like I said in the guidelines, either you are with your camera on, unfortunately, or you're leaving. I mean, you can leave on your own, or and maybe look at it later. Like I said, no, there are no excuses. Unfortunately, even for me, if my camera is not on, I have to go. So, Jyoti, see if you can fix it. Otherwise, perhaps you can gracefully leave and join maybe in the next meeting. Choice, because I said very strictly no excuses. That's the reason. Because what will happen is attitude is the first thing that this session is on. So what happens, knowingly or unknowingly, the moment we are given some opportunity, we actually go towards excuses and all that. So that will not help us in our career, also in our internship. That is the reason. Otherwise, nothing personal anywhere, no problem. The moment, on the other hand, funnily, what happens is when you have no choice, your creative brain, right brain, finds the resources to make you come up with a solution. So we are very powerful. We need to use our power of the mind and body. We are very, very powerful. And I'm so happy all of you are getting inputs at this young age. That means for the rest of their life, you will be very, very successful. Power multiplied. And हम लोग ढूंढ रहे थे who will guide us. You people don't have to search. You have 10 people ready to guide you in case you are willing to take the advice. That way. Refer to us, sir, I have this problem. Sir, I have this problem. How do I, ma'am, how do I handle? There's a lady, Purnima ji also has joined. Purnima is there, Sailesh is there, I'm there, Deepak is there to guide. And there should be no compromise in your 2 weeks or whatever to achieve whatever you have come here to achieve. You should go out successful, super successful. Once you taste success, then that's nice. Keep playing, keep playing. We'll have a Radio Jack also on the show. जो भी होता है अपने भले के लिए होता है. Okay, so it's 6:05 already. I think we should start. So Jyoti, please attempt. Tuhin, please come on because I've seen you on your camera. Sailesh has been one of the seniors here. I've given the permission because he's in a meeting and he's gone somewhere. So that's the reason. Otherwise, Jyoti and Abhishek can come on. Tuhin, Jyoti, Abhishek. You will have 1 or 2 minutes and then we will either you will log off or we will remove you. Yeah, Abhishek, hi, Batman. Come in that costume, man.
Hello, sir.
Let's see your costume also, Batman costume. सिलवाया नहीं क्या?
नहीं सर, धुलने को दिया.
धोने को दिया है, मतलब ठीक है. Have to. Okay. Tuhin.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Very good. चिल्लाना पड़ रहा है. Maybe you went to the other room.
Yes, sir.
Welcome. आपके बिना शुरू नहीं कर सकते. That's why. Okay. Jyoti said 1 minute. Let's give Jyoti. It's 6:08. Just see if Jyoti can come on. Otherwise, Apeksha or Akshara can remove Jyoti if she is not able to come on. Technically, she has a problem or something. But there are no excuses. Everyone is the same, so that's the reason. In fact, I had the pleasure of interacting with Jyoti, and she asked a lot of questions last time also. So I pray to God that her camera will come on. God will help her on her camera. Okay, fantastic. Yes, all yours. The show is on live. Apeksha, who's going to do the honors? You or Akshara? You want to start off, right? You said minutes. You said something. Minutes of the meeting or something.
Yeah, sir, I'm taking it down.
Okay, so is there a formal start or I start off?
You can start, sir.
I can start off. So then nothing. You're not going to do any introduction or something, right? Okay,
No.
great, fantastic. So what we'll do is all of us and you people can keep watching for anyone who is joining and admit them. We will do a series of activities. One is Tuhin, you're not on. Okay, so you people need not ask me within 1 minute. After 1 minute, just see who is on with cameras off and then remove them, except Sailesh. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So all of you can just sit comfortably in your chairs. The first activity we are doing is 3 intentful alignments of body, breath, and mind. What will this will do is, whenever you do it in 3 minutes, it will relax your mind and body and make you focus on whatever you're doing. So your results will be great and you'll be feeling very calm and nice. So let's do it. So you're sitting in your chair comfortably and stretching up towards the heaven. Imagine a string of pearls from the top of your head pulling you into the heavens above, and another string of pearls from the bottom of your spine into the earth below. So you're stretched between the heaven and earth. As you stretch yourself, as students, you can also find that your self-confidence goes up, your self-esteem goes up, and your head is a little tilted up about 10 degrees, and your body is now aligned. And now align your breathing also to be slow and nice. Take slow and deep breaths from the belly. As I lead you, focus on your breath. A few seconds inside and a few seconds outside, and see how nice and easy you feel as you're breathing deeply. And as you do this, the third alignment of the mind, actually the monkey mind, invite the mind to be in the present, in the space before you, which is the present. Just have that intention, that is more than enough. And leave the past on your one side and the future on one side, and let all of you, your breathing, your body, and your mind be in that space before you. And just be silent for a minute or so till I lead you forward. Just try to free yourself and be as free as possible, breathing nicely and easily with a body which is as straight as possible. Be comfortable. You are participating and not just watching. The entire session is experiential. So if you participate, you will have great fun. So for the next 45 seconds, any one of you who's with your eyes open, except Apeksha, you can all close your eyes and join us in this experience. Body is straight, you're breathing deeply, and the mind is in the present. and slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Slowly, you will do two things. One is you will stay in the same relaxed state. Let it continue for the rest of the evening. A nice, peaceful state. And the second thing that you will do is slowly open your eyes so that retaining the calmness, you will participate in the session with your eyes open. Naman, nice to see you here. Wonderful. We had a fantastic conversation last time. He was the fellow who troubled me the most with the most questions. I was very happy. So that is a sign of success. That is a sign that you are involved in the project and you'll be very, very successful. So all the best to
you,
all
sir.
of you. Yeah, all of you are going to be really successful. We will ensure that all of you are successful. So that was the 3 alignments. Now I want, so let's all come on camera. Okay, Tuhin, one last call. Abhishek, come on camera. Tuhin has not come on camera, no?
Sir, actually my camera is on. There is a power cut.
No, you can, even if there's a power cut, there's no problem. Either you come on camera or we remove you. There's no time to be lost.
Sir, my camera is on. I can just. Sir, this flash of my mobile phone. There is
Abhishek, na? Abhishek,
yes,
Abhishek is fine. I'm talking about Tuhin.
Okay.
Okay, Tuhin ko remove kar do. Apeksha.
Okay, sir.
I'm sorry, I'm giving you the unpleasant task. So these are all part of our career, sometimes, yeah, thank you. So Rida, are you going to come on? Can you come on or, because we need to quickly start the session now. Rida, are you coming on camera? Rida, are you coming on camera? Rida, are you coming on camera?
Sir, she was on camera, but now it's switched off. Before
Correct.
she was there.
Correct. So do one thing. Don't, I'll just carry on with the session. Wait for exactly 60 seconds, and if Rida doesn't come on, just remove her. Okay? Fine. So, yeah. So what we'll do is, I wanted to ask you, Akshara, were you with me in the 1 minute, in the 3 minutes of 3 alignments? Did you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Devesh, you did it? Abhishek, Naman, all of you did it? Were you able to do it? Okay. So I want to ask you, this is very important for the sales. See, today we are doing attitude and power of belief. Next session will be on sales. So were you able to do it? I'll give you a very interesting feedback. Were you able to do it or your mind was disturbed? So both are absolutely fine. You don't need to give the correct answer. Whatever is a natural answer you can give. Naman, were you able to do it?
Sir, I joined a bit late.
Okay.
My account, I had to sign in through my account. And
that is fine. Okay. Akshara, were you able to do it?
Middle of.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Most all the time.
All the time. Devesh, were you able to do it?
What, sir?
The 3 alignments, mind, body, and breath.
Yes, sir.
You were able to do it. Did you feel any disturbance? Did you feel a lot of thoughts?
No, sir.
Okay. Abhishek, aap kar paaye? Were you
Yes,
able
sir.
to do it?
I did it.
Okay. Okay. Why I'm asking you this question is, in case you people have pen and paper beside you, you can note down. What happens is, the more you are calm, the more in your sales. See, all this is preparing you for the for selling more and more in terms of your two weeks internship and becoming more successful and prosperous. So if your mind is calm, the left brain is calm, there are no thoughts, then you will be able to listen to the client or the customer well, and you will be able to do more sales. If you have to listen to the opposite person, you have to be zero. Your mind has to be, the monkey mind has to be very calm. So this technique and such techniques, they will help you to calm your monkey mind, your disturbing mind, and hence you'll be able to listen to what the customer is saying. Otherwise, in sales, what happens is, you will not be able to listen to the other person because you are busy. Your mind is full of whatever you want to tell the customer about psychology, about the price, about what are the benefits, etc., etc. So one of the secrets you can take down, any important point you can take down is that you have to learn to listen. The customer will tell a lot, give a lot of signals, which you can use to close the sale. But if you are full of something called verbal diarrhea, that means you want to vomit a lot of words. What is happening is the customer is not listening to you. You are not listening to the customer. So sales will not happen. It will be a tucker. So you should be 0 and the client should be 100, which means the client should be talking. The more the client talks, the more you are in control of the sale. So that is very important. Rida Abbasi, we logged you out because you were not on camera. Would you like to put yourself on camera or shall we log you out again? This is a request.
Sir, I was on camera.
No, we are not able to see you. I'm sorry.
Sir, network error is there.
No, I understand, but unfortunately, we need people on camera or logged out. So we'll
Sir,
give you 1 minute.
I will rejoin this.
Please rejoin. Thank you. So, okay. So what is happening is either you are listening to the customer, in which case what will happen is you can do your sales with minimum effort. So all these techniques, this session and 21st and 25th, what I'll be doing, we will minimize your stress and maximize your success through all these techniques. So keep your mind calm through 3 alignment technique is one of the points, one of the important points. So whenever I say important point, Apeksha can note it down. Actually, that's a signal I'm giving you. Okay. So this is one thing, mind, body, and breath. So that when you are, before you go to any client or customer or student, what you can do is 2 minutes of mind, body, breath alignment, and you'll find that you're listening better and convincing other people. There is magic in this technique with lesser effort. So this is one technique that I have gone through. Then the next one is, I'll go through some slides actually. Couple of slides and some videos I will go through. So can you all see this? Can you all see the slide? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
We can see
So,
it.
yes. So what is happening is, do you know what this is? It's an
Ocean with
iceberg. Iceberg. How much of it is above water? About 1/9 is above water. And
Almost,
below
yes.
8/9, almost 90% or close to that is below water, which you don't see. When you talk of Titanic, you talk about the iceberg and all that. So what is happening is, even human behavior is like this. So a little bit of psychology. From mind body technique, we are going to psychology technique now. So what people see externally outside is your behavior. Okay. All this we are discussing in the context of your selling the Speakology program. So your behavior will depend on perception. For example, when I buy a red bike or a red car, for the next few days, as you all know, you will see only a lot of red cars in the road. Why? Because your perception will go to only notice it is called selective perception. So you will notice only what you want to notice. There are so many things happening in the world. So if I tell you that Suresh is bad, you will notice only his bad habits. If I tell you that Suresh is good, you will notice only his good habits. So our attention goes where we want it to go. Perception is way of seeing things. So please understand, sometimes what you see may not be the exact truth. You are only seeing based on your thinking. The slide has got stuck. Let me see what I can do. Yeah. So your perception, way of seeing things is based on your attitude, your way of thinking. And how your way of thinking is programmed by your beliefs. Suppose I had and how do I get beliefs is like the software code, the software program written inside us. So for example, and how is our beliefs programmed? For example, either by our parents based on our education or our experience or our environment in which Vatavaran in which we grow up. So based on our background, education, experience and environment, we form beliefs. For example, I had a bad experience with a blue color shirt person. I'll think that all blue color shirt guys are bad or smokers are bad or people who are rich are bad or good or whatever. So what happens is these beliefs are like software code written inside inside our mind. So what we do in psychology is we try to change the beliefs of people and then the behavior changes. So nothing else can be programmed. Background cannot be changed now. Your last 20 years of experience cannot be changed. But what can be changed is the beliefs that you have. So that is the thing. So we have a lot of techniques to change our beliefs, which I will do in the next session on 21st. Okay, and perhaps now also. So now what we'll do is we'll look at some people who are going beyond the normal belief to achieve a lot of things. Have you heard of Nick Vujicic? Has anyone heard of Nick Vujicic, a man without arms and legs?
No,
So we'll
sir.
go meet him now. How do I escape? Okay. Just let me know whether you can see the video and audio as it comes on. Okay, so we come back. Any feedback on this video?
It's really motivating.
Okay, who's that? Naman.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What does Akshara say?
Yes, sir. Motivating.
Motivating. What was motivating about that video?
Like he didn't have hands and legs, but was still doing everything.
His name is Nick Vujicic. He is an Australian, and he is one of the richest people in the world. He has a fantastic house. He has a fantastic swimming pool. He's got married. I think recently he had a kid or a couple of kids, and he's leading a life which is much more happier than mine also. So he does everything. No hands and legs. He cooks his own food. He does his own going up and down. He swims. He enjoys life. So happiness is just a state of mind, and he travels all over the world and he gives motivational speeches and earns millions of dollars. Actually, मतलब अगर वो कर सकता है तो हम क्यों नहीं? If he can do it, then anyone can do it. So that is the thing. So what is the difference between him and me? It's only the attitude. It's only the mind which is different. So that way, sometimes what happens is we have everything, but we think that we have nothing. So the main point which I wanted to make is that for the sales effort that you people are going to do in the limited time of 3 weeks or 2 weeks or whatever that number of days is, if you put your mind to it, even impossible will become possible. So that is the reason why we saw this video. We have several videos. Maybe I'll put it in the group, and you can watch the videos. But then so many people like this without hands, raising children, raising babies, and doing a lot of wonderful things. They go to the supermarket, they drive cars, etc., etc. So hame kya kami hai? I mean, if you want 10, you can do 10. If you want 20, you can do 20. Whatever that number is, it is only aspirational. So even if Sailesh or Deepak or Aditya gives you some number, that number is only for them. You can maybe do double that number. So what is important is not the target or the aspiration which we give you, but exactly what you want to achieve. How much money do you want to make in these 2 weeks? You can achieve impossible levels also. Forget about what you're going to do with that money. That's not important. But and once you taste success in the small 2-week period, I think in life you will replicate the same success outside also. So that's why it's very important. Okay, now what I'll do is let's do one more magic technique. So we watched, we did 3 alignments, and we watched one, video of one of the motivational, guys. So what we'll do is we will do a visualization here again. So I'm interspersing. I'm showing you one video, and I'm doing one practical technique with you. So then there's one more funny video we'll see after this. So what we'll do now is you can sit comfortably, and before you close your eyes for 2 minutes, I'll do some magic with you. I want to ask you people how, what is the, do you have some target in mind that you want to achieve in this 2 weeks of internship? Do you have something which you want to express? And I'll tell you, we'll do some magic right now in 2 minutes with that one. And I will ensure that you achieve that goal. You leave it to Srinivas Murthy. So I want some figures. I want some goal. What you have? Akshara, Jyoti, Naman, Abhishek, Apeksha, Devesh. All of you can quickly express, and we'll go forward. We have about 27 minutes. We need to do a lot of things in these 27 minutes. So, kuch to bolo. Where do you want to be at the end of 2 weeks? You want to achieve something? You've come with a purpose?
Yeah, sir, for me, like there is no specific like want goal for this internship. It's
Fantastic.
just basically mostly like for my experience and
Yes.
for myself. Like, I mean, I fancy communications. I can do
Yes.
anything which has communications with it.
Fantastic.
So if like the thing which interested me about this internship as a whole the most was that it requires communication and something related to social media or digitally, because like today's youth and today's generation is all about that. So like I
Absolutely.
think that was the fact which just clicked that okay, so this is the thing which we can like pursue or something.
So that's the outcome, that you want to pursue something which involves communication and digital
Yeah.
media.
Yes.
Okay. Akshara? And then we'll go with Jyoti.
Sir, even I just came for experience, like nothing like I wanted something.
Fantastic. Okay.
And what interested me over here was the marketing related
Part of it.
things. Yeah,
Okay.
I am interested in this kind, so I just
Thank you.
wanted a bit of experience.
Thank you. Devesh?
Sir, to know more about social media marketing.
Thank you. Jyoti?
Sir, to improve my skills in marketing field. So even before I've done many internships in marketing and sales, and I've also worked as a business development intern at Internment. So I thought that even in this internship, I would gain lots of experience.
Thank you. Naman? And then we'll go with Abhishek, the Batman.
So my objective is to get some good experience and
Okay.
learn from the best. Like when you learn from the experienced people, you get that's where you learn things. College doesn't teach you those things.
Fantastic.
It's just
Yes.
the practical knowledge which you get while working.
You are so true. You're so true.
So yeah, sir.
Thank you. Last but not the least, Abhishek. And then we'll go into some practical activity.
Yes, I agree with Naman. That is my way.
Okay.
College can't teach us like what you are teaching us.
Okay.
So I came here.
Fantastic. So what I would like all of you to do in about 30 seconds is, in your mind, what do you call, make up, just decide approximately what is the end of your internship, the last day, and we'll visualize about that, which means we'll close our eyes and do something on that, which I'll guide you on. And, you see that you have achieved all that you wanted. For example, Apeksha was talking about communication. So all of you have had a good experience. And on that day, you feel great that you've spent that time here, those 2 weeks or 4 weeks or whatever it is, and that you've culminated on a very, very high note. And I think, you've had a great time. So what you can do is you can do that. So if you are ready, in the next 15 seconds, I'll start. And Naman and Apeksha can come on with your videos and we'll start off. I'm going to trouble you like this for the next half an hour. After that, there'll be nobody like me to trouble you.
It's because someone was trying to call me, so it
Done. I know. A lot of challenges in life. What to do? So okay.
I could hear what you were trying to tell also. So
done. अभी आप लोग म्यूट हो जाओ or as I see your beautiful faces, I'll guide you through the visualization. I'll also close my eyes. So please close your eyes. This is one more gift, a technique which you can use anytime for success in your life. This is actually, on an interesting note, it is communication with your own self and through yourself to the universe. Okay. So just close your eyes and do something for about 30 seconds. Just free yourself, free your head, free your neck, dhila banalo, free your chest and abdomen, free your shoulders and hands and arms and fingers, free your back, free your pelvic region, free your thighs, knees, ankles, and feet and the calf muscles. Let your entire body be absolutely nice and easy, happy and feeling light. And if it helps you, throughout the next 2 or 3 minutes, just breathe nicely and easily, deeply and easily. Inhale and exhale. Just don't feel any stress, just be in comfort. Let every part of your body be light and happy. And now, I want all of you in this nice state of mind and body to, as you have closed your eyes, to see yourself getting up from bed on that particular day, which is the last day of your internship. You can imagine, visualize any day. Just have a date in mind. It's okay. Don't think too much about that date. 2 weeks later, 4 weeks later, whatever the date is, and you're getting up. And as you continue to inhale nicely and effortlessly, see what color of clothes you're wearing. See what is around you. And you who is sitting in this chair here in this session is going through it in first person, not in third person. You're experiencing it as though it is happening now to you. A very magical technique. I'll tell you the power after we finish. And slowly go through the next 1 hour. I'll wait for all of you. For the next 1 hour after you wake up, just see, hear, and feel everything, including the other members of the family and etc. etc. Whatever is happening, and smell and taste also. For example, if you're brushing your teeth, smell the toothpaste and so on and so forth. For the next 1.5 hours, let's say 1.5 hours, just visualize slowly and nicely whatever is happening to you on that particular day. 1.5 hours after you wake up. Take 1 minute, no problem. Focus. "15 minutes at a time, just see what you're doing. See, hear, and feel as though it is happening to you now. Almost 1 hour is over. Another half an hour. What are you doing? See, hear, and feel as you get ready for the day, on that day. And as you finish the next half an hour also, it's 1.5 hours after you got up. I will request you to fast forward the time to that time of the day, on that day, when you are interacting with your guides and mentors, the people from Speakology platform, Deepak, Salesh, Aditya, Purnima, and Srinivas. On the last day, and you are giving your feedback on how the experience was for you. You're feeling that delight and expressing it to your seniors, either online or offline, whatever medium you choose. And they're also complimenting you one by one and wishing you all the best for the future and thanking you for spending this time with us, making it useful for us as well as you. Experience all this happening now to you as though it is happening now and here. See yourself speaking, see them speaking, listen to everything, all the voices. Let's take about 30-45 seconds to do this now and feel those feelings of delight. And slowly letting that feeling be throughout your body. You can even visualize with a smile on your face. As you inhale and exhale, slowly go forward after that event has happened to the evening, sometime after that event. And for about 1 hour, see what you're doing in that on that day in the evening. Let's take 1 more minute before we end the visualization. And just deeply get involved in this by looking, seeing, hearing, and feeling whatever is happening. What color of dress are you wearing? Where are you in the evening at whatever time you choose? What are you doing? Can you feel it? Can you listen to everything that is happening around you? Make it as realistic as possible. And let that feeling of delight, that emotion continue in that 1 hour also. If you're eating something, you must be able to smell what you're eating and taste what you're eating, and so on and so forth. The next 15 seconds, just feel nice and happy with a fantastic day which has gone by as you visualized. And know that this is exactly what will happen on that day. And in that state of delight, happiness, slowly come back. Don't be in a hurry. Slowly come back and at your own comfort, open your eyes and join us back in the session so that we may move forward with your feedback. Comments from slowly. Let's let everyone come back. Normally, when I didn't see, I thought all of you had opened your eyes, but slowly we wait for everyone to slowly land your plane. We don't want any plane to crash land actually, so we'll take that time, you know. People go deep, they take time to land again. So, kaisa tha? Did something happen or nothing happened? Either way is okay. You're doing it for the first time. So, but very powerful
really
technique.
peaceful, sir.
I'll tell you the secret behind this. Yeah, you can use it. So many secrets. You can use it for whatever you want in life. You want 100 kilos of gold, or you want to buy some island somewhere. It works for everything. There's a lot of magic. Yeah. So your quick feedback, 10-second feedback.
Sir, it was peaceful.
Were you able to do the visualization? Because
A bit.
it is okay. Please understand. This is not meditation. This is visualization. So what you're doing is you're doing a little bit of cheating on the positive side. You're programming the future to work out as you want. And I know, Sailesh knows, Deepak knows, many of us who've got a little ahead in life, we know that if you visualize whether you want a parking slot or whether you want a market store to be open or you want some goal to be achieved or you ask for a wish and you wanted that to be achieved, it is very powerful. I wanted to buy a car and the car happened way back in 2002. I wanted to work in a company called Max New York Life. I visualized, and after 1 year, they gave me an offer which was fantastic. I went to Gurgaon and worked as a vice president for them. So, like this, I wanted a particular salary. They gave the salary without negotiation. So, what happens is the logical mind, the left brain, will keep limiting you. Yeah, nahi hoga. It is not possible. How can it be possible, etc. But you know what happens is if you close your eyes and visualize, then what happens is you send a signal to the universe, and somehow you will not know how. The logic is not important. The magic will happen in your life. I'll tell you how it happens. See, when you all sleep, I'll tell you something interesting. sometimes we get a dream saying that, you're slipping on a rock or you're falling off the table or something like that. I've got that happening several times. Or a dog is chasing you and before it bites you, you want to get up actually. So what happens is you wake up with a jerk. You just wake up like that from a terrible dream. The trigger is imaginary, but is the response of the body real? Yes. You actually wake up, no? Yeah. So that is a mechanism which is already there in the body and mind. So what you're doing is you're using it for very powerful purposes. You close your eyes and visualize that your internship is successful. It will be successful. You've already done it. At least 50%, 30% you've done it. So next, you can actually sit down and do it again tomorrow. You'll find that this 2 weeks or 4 weeks is absolutely very useful. And it is one of the best experiences in your life. You'll have wonderful time with all of us. So that way you can actually cheat on the positive side. And just for fun sake, I'm using cheat. So you can actually program your life as you want. See that you're an engineer, see that you're a fantastic communicator, whatever it is. So you are communicating with yourself, so send out very positive signals and have no doubts about whatever you want. You will be able to achieve your goal. You can use it to do whatever you want in life. Devesh, aap kar paaye? You were able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks. Abhishek? Hello, you're on mute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I did it.
Very good. What were you thinking about?
Sir,
Golden
it
car?
was like a parallel space. I'm in a parallel space.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you have to feel that you are doing it as though it is happening now to you. In the present, lana padega. Future ko present mein lana padega.
Yes, sir.
Jyoti? Akshara?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Apeksha? Apeksha is doing the admin duty, but were you able to do that?
No,
I think
I did like for the starting I couldn't do because I was writing the
Okay. Yeah. You have a double duty.
Yeah, but then like coming in the middle I could do it, but then when I started it, just like 2 minutes something like that I couldn't do it, but then at the coming at the end that all I could do it. Yeah.
Wonderful. Naman?
I enjoyed it, sir.
Okay.
Completely mind was
Fantastic.
free.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So what is happening is that this is something, these techniques are very powerful. They are not the normal things that you learn in college and all that, but you will notice the power. There was I actually misused this power also. Spencer supermarket is just beside my house. I was supposed to buy some chocolates for a training program next day. It is supposed to close at 9:30. At 9:45, I was desperate for some chocolates. I just closed my eyes and visualized that the store is open, and the store was open. So like that, you just try and have fun in the next 1 week. For small things, you close your eyes and keep visualizing. Your mom listening to you, your dad listening to you, your friend listening to you, whatever. And you'll be surprised. And I'll anyway be in the group. You can give me a feedback. Sir, it is working. Sir, it is magical. And people don't know what you have done, but they'll somehow feel like saying yes to you and giving you what you want. Or kya chahiye life mein. So that's how it is. Okay. So this is one. Now what we'll do is we'll have a small video which I'll show you, which will actually cater to Apeksha. This video is dedicated to Apeksha. Why am I saying this? Because it is something to do with communication. And just look at how funny it is. You'll enjoy it.
Okay.
That's the fun of being a trainer. You can we have all kinds of videos to entertain you. Yes, here it is.
I figure 75% to you, Panma. And
just checking, can you see it and hear it?
Divided between the 5 of us. Yida, Crowbar,
Yes, sir.
Tom, and the baby. That makes 5% for each one of us.
Billy, you're cheating yourself. If there's 25% divided among the 5 of you, that's 14% apiece.
Oh, no, listen, Pa. I wouldn't cheat you. You know I wouldn't. Now, look here. I'll show you. Let me rub this out here.
Just enjoy what is going to happen now.
25 divided by 5 is 5. You see, 5 won't go into 2, will it? No. But 5 goes into 25 5 times, you see?
No, you're wrong, Billy. Now, I'm a pretty good mathematician. Now, 5 into 25. 5 won't go into 2, will it?
No.
But 5 goes into 5 once. Now, we didn't use the 2 before, so we bring it down here. Now, 5 into 20 goes 4 times. There you are. 5 into 25, 14.
No, look, Pa. Let me prove it to you now by multiplication. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25.
Really, I'm surprised you're learning.
Huh?
I'm surprised that you're learning. Now I'll show you. 5 times 14 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 1 is 5. 25. That's it.
No, look, Ma. Look, you're wrong there because I'll prove it to you. We'll put down 5 14s here. 14. There. Now I'll prove to you by addition that 5 14s is not 25. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There you are. Better brush up, Billy. I don't want to see you boys cheated.
So what's happening here? This is you're going to love the debrief which I'm going to give you in the next 1 or 2 minutes. बहुत powerful learning है. Will help you people whatever you do in life. So what is happening? Can I have some feedback in the video? What is happening?
He's trying to prove that 14 is to 5 is 25.
Correct.
And but the other one is like, no, it's like 25 divided by 5 is 5. So basically 5 into 5 is 25. But
So
then,
yeah.
but then every other way he's trying to prove that if you add 14 5 times, you'll get 25. And then if you multiply also, you'll get 25.
What is the learning, my dear friends? What is the learning here? What is the learning? That's very important. It'll help you all.
It's a miscommunication between
Anji?
them.
Communication.
Miscommunication, yes.
Miscommunication between them. Okay, fantastic. That's one. Others also, quickly, whatever you understand, ek word bol do. Then I'll tell you what it means.
Everyone's trying to communicate by their own way and
Isn't it?
trying to prove their points.
Fantastic.
But no one is trying to speak it in that way so that anyone understands it. They're just trying to
Fantastic.
explain the thing.
Yeah. Thank you. What does Jyoti say, Akshara say, and Abhishek say?
I think everyone don't have same views on a point. So
Yes.
everyone have their own different way of thinking.
Yes.
Sir,
Any views?
anything can be proved in any other way.
Fantastic. Yeah. Abhishek, Batman. Hey, आप म्यूट में कैसे बोल सकते हैं? हाँ.
Yes. Different mind, different thoughts, sir.
Okay, my dear friends, thank you very much for your opinion. Now, let me tell you that, see,
So,
what is
can
the-
I?
Yeah, please, Devesh. I forgot, I didn't take it from you. Yes.
Sir, everyone in the video is thinking that I am the God and I know everything and don't listen other.
Yeah. Fantastic. So what is happening is today, everyone is trying to prove that they are right. And that cannot, then that way you can't succeed in a task or in a project or in a team. So what happens is logic, both of them have fantastic logic, saying that 14 into 5 is 25 or 5 into 5 is 25. You argue the whole day, they will keep arguing, trying to prove their point. But can work be done in a team? Can you convince the client? Client will have their own argument and the logic, and you will have your own logic. You can spend 1 hour, 2 hours, there's no point. It can be a client, it can be a brother, sister, friend, parent, anyone. So what is important is logic is left brain. Left brain is logical mind. Right brain or the body is more of the emotions and rapport. So what is important is communication is important and conversation is also important. What is the difference between communication and conversation? See, logic is like the first gear. If any of you, all of you know driving, you know that first gear can only be put for let's say 5 feet or 10 feet. After that, you have to change into second gear, third gear, fourth gear. Yes or no? So that is also the thing. Logic, you cannot win discussion or deal by logic. Logic can only be the starting point. You need to have conversation which is informal communication to relax a person, get to the heart of the person. You need to establish rapport, friendliness. And so the person will be like this first. You have to slowly relax the person. The person has to become like this. After the conversation is started, then communication is formal. You will have an objective saying that this is what I want that person to take the Speakology course or whatever it is, or I want the person to give me the file or whatever it is. After you establish rapport, the person goes from resistance to acceptance, then that friendly manner of conversation, then your communication objective is achieved. So that is the reason why, unless you have rapport, heart to heart, rapport with the person, you cannot achieve your communication objectives. So conversation comes first, and then the communication comes next. So communication is inside. The outer cover is conversation. So you need to start saying hello, how are you, and acknowledge them, see how they are feeling, see what they are doing and all that. Listen to them first. Listening is a good rapport mechanism. And then slowly start talking about what you want. So in psychology, we say, unke gali mein jana, unko apne gali mein lana. Even in martial arts also you do that. Martial arts, you don't push a person or you don't pull a person. You go like that and then come like this. Unke gali mein jao, unko apne gali mein lao. So if you are a communicator who's mixing communication strategy and psychology, then what you will do is first you will listen. You will say, yes, oh, is that so? I understand. Oh, I see. Acha, aisa hai kya? So slowly they will start relaxing. Everyone wants you to listen to them. The moment you listen to them, you will go into their gully. And after that, you can bring them to your gully. Unke gully mein jao, unko apne gully mein lao. This is also a parenting technique. This is also, you can convince anyone using this technique. पहले हाँ बोलना है, उसके बाद हाँ लेना है. So that's how it is. So logic only cannot win an argument unless you are soft, unless you try to influence people. You cannot use authority all the time. So is this useful as an input?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fantastic.
sir.
So how can you do it? The only way is practice. So आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Today is Saturday. So practice on a few people and let me know how it goes. And then slowly you can get, whatever you want from the other person. Okay, I'll do one thing before we end. I had planned a couple of things more, but I don't think we have the time. I also have a session at 8 o'clock. So I'll do a small exercise, practical exercise to which will, demonstrate the point which I was trying to tell you. So I want one volunteer to raise their hand. We'll do a small exercise for 5 minutes and then we'll end this session. Naman raised hand. Fantastic. Where is Naman? Naman raised his hand and disappeared. Arey? Devesh raised his hand. Okay, so we'll take Naman. You're on mute. Hello, uncle. You're on mute.
Sorry, I was telling from that time when I had to unmute myself.
अरे तुम्हारा internet connection अच्छा ठीक है. You are ready? अरे he's again disappeared. Hello, Baba, Naman Baba.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you there? Shall we go ahead?
So, यहाँ पे you.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have.
Yes, sir.
Do one thing. Close your eyes. Arey, it's going on and off. एक काम करते हैं. We'll do it with Devesh. His connection is more stable. Devesh, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do one thing. Close your eyes. I'll show something to all of them.
Sir, pardon me,
Close your
but
eyes.
I couldn't hear what you were trying to tell.
No problem. You just listen. I'm doing something with Devesh now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Devesh, close your eyes. All the others will see whatever I show. You will not tell anything. Okay, I've written down something. Just see it and keep quiet. That's all. Okay. Devesh, open your eyes now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what you can do is let's talk about something which you like to talk about. Any topic. Ice cream,
So,
movies.
cricket.
Cricket. अच्छा ठीक है. Cricket के बारे में बात करो. Just all of you can observe what I'm doing. You can use this communication technique wherever you go from tomorrow onwards. So today I've given you 3 or 4 powerful techniques. Okay, in 1 hour, I'm very happy. Okay, so Devesh, you start talking. I'll join you. Let's have a conversation.
Yes, sir. Sir, as you know, India is on tour of Australia and they are playing ping ball test. Sir, आवाज आ रही sir?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, loud and clear.
Yes, sir. So today, our opener, this is the first ping ball test of India in foreign. So
Okay.
our opener Prithvi Shaw has again got out on duck in 2 innings, and again our bowler Bumrah is opened at like a night watchman and saved India from falling off more wickets this
Oh, okay.
evenings.
Are you going to watch the entire series?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay. I'm also going to watch. By the way, I'm happy that you took the subject of cricket because, I've been a very active cricket player till the college days, till the degree, till I completed my graduation. I was a captain of my school team and in Vishakhapatnam called the Timpani School. And I used to be a fast bowler and batsman. And as age advanced, I became a spin bowler. So that way. So I love playing cricket more than watching cricket.
Okay, sir.
आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you stay?
Sir, Lucknow.
लखनऊ is it? मैं कभी लखनऊ आऊँ तो मैं I would definitely like to visit you.
Sure, sir.
हाँ? पक्का?
Sure. Yes, sir.
So okay. So once suppose I come to Lucknow and I come to your house, how will you receive me? What will you say to me? How will I feel? मैं आपके घर जब आऊँगा तो कैसे रिसीव करेंगे? क्या बोलेंगे? How will you? What? Just tell me. Imagine and tell me.
पधारिए गुरुजी.
हाँ? पधारिए गुरुजी. वही अंग्रेजी में बोलना है तो क्या बोलेंगे?
Welcome to our house.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Okay, so what is happening is I had to do it quickly because we have already run out of time. So anyway, I don't know where I've written that. I wrote the word welcome and showed it to all of these people. So what is happening is this is called creative communication. So in sales and in communication, very important, very nice technique. It's a psychology technique where you involve a person in conversation. And Jan Bujke, I took the word, but topic I have given to Devesh. So whatever the other person is talking, all of you can slowly turn the conversation this way, that way, this way, that way, and get what you want out of the other person. This is a practical example. Yes or no? So that is how, what you can do is you can practice let's say in the next 1 week, you can practice with your family member or friend. Try to think of some word and try to get it out of them. And see how you can twist and turn the conversation till they actually give it to you. But you have to be very relaxed when you do it. If you are relaxed, the other person also will be relaxed. So once you practice this, then you will find it very easy to talk to a client or a prospect who wants to take your program. So that way, so this is in fact, a very hypnotic technique. That way. So this is called creative communication. So you keep changing your outgoing signal till the other person gives you the incoming signal that you want. It can be just मैंने एक word का example लिया. It can be a file that you want from somebody. It can be a sale that you want from somebody. It can be your mother cooking your favorite dish, your brother listening to you, your sister listening to you. It can be Sailesh or Deepak, convincing them to give you what you want, one extra certificate or whatever it is. Sailesh के सामने बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Or one extra training program. That way. Sailesh, it will be useful for you also.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
हाँ, और काफी बताऊंगा. Okay.
Definitely, we'll take up the call separately, sir.
Done. So that's it. So how was this technique? Do you think it's useful? Any doubts how to use it, etc., etc., from the few people who are present here?
No, sir. It's clear.
No, sir.
Clear. Unless you practice, you will not become perfect. So slowly, as you practice with people, you'll find that you'll become very, very powerful communicator. Whatever you want from anyone, you can actually extract from them by using the combination of conversation first and inside communication. Communication inside your goal, what you want from others, dressed by conversation, a friendly talk. So that's how it is. This is how you do hypnotism on other people. So thank you, people. Thank you for the time. Thank you for being so patient at a young age for 1 hour and 5 minutes. And I hope you enjoyed the small bits of success techniques that I've given you. I'm always there in the group. You can also reach me, access me one-to-one if you want, but don't compromise on your success. And any advice, we are there. We would love to guide you in any challenge that you're facing. Okay. So thank you. Anything that you would like to say, admin Apeksha ji?
No, sir.
Nothing. Okay. Did you all enjoy? Give me a feedback, no small feedback. Then I'll skip my dinner.
It was nice, sir. We learned like about 3 to 4 techniques which we
In
can
such a short term time.
Yeah, and not only in professional way, we can use it like in day-to-day lives.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And always keep smiling. Your smile is the biggest magic. Yeah. Akshara, Devesh, Abhishek, jaldi feedback de do.
Yes, sir. It was very informative and
Practice and you'll see the power. Devesh.
So mind-bending techniques you are taught today. Mind-bending techniques.
मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं, practice करो आप लोग. Abhishek, Batman.
Yes, it was a mind-blowing technique and love that, sir.
Thank you. Naman, Jyoti. Jyoti
Sir,
somehow has
I'm
been
gonna
able
be
to mute.
I'm gonna be doing this internship forever if you just teach us new things.
Done. I'll keep forever teaching you new things. Jyoti. Jyoti successfully managed to convince us with her camera off. Hello, Jyoti. She's gone to the other room. Okay. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Be in touch. Let's have more fun in the future. Can I leave?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, sir.
much.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
thank you, sir.